is, and you're gonna like it. I think. I was pondering the way to solve the rotor system. Now, if you remember, when I put the segments in my mock-up temporary rotor assembly, it doesn't do a damn thing, and I know why. That is because, oh, guess what? I've got two now. Look, oh, look, they're multiplying. That must have had a bit. It's had a baby, so I've got two now. Right. So, oh my God! Look at that kick on there. Right. So there's two now, and I was trying to solve the problem of why it wouldn't make the rotor, that thing, move, and I figured it out, and I'll explain quickly because I am tired. I need to go and get some sleep. Let's just do it with one a minute. Put that one out of the way a minute. Now, if you watch, it's moving, right? When I get my steel extraction tool and I short out the field like so, hang on, guess what? Nothing, nada. Well, a little bit, not much. So, and I was thinking about this, and that's because the flux lines are actually travelling all the way around here. And I thought, oops, that's a problem. It's not doing anything now. The flux lines are all coming around the back. And when you put this piece of steel around it, it becomes a dead horse, basically. And I thought, ugh. Anyway, so I spent about past 24 hours working it out, and I've actually not slept for, I don't know, 30 hours. I lost count. Ah, stop it thing. No, I took the clamp off, now it's active again, you see. I'll get this thing out of the way. How do we make a rotary system when it doesn't want to work? Well, it's quite simple. We use I don't know what you call it, a horseshoe array. And the way we do that, there's a problem with this. I'm just going to show you briefly. You need a horseshoe array. Oops, I'm pulling things off the fire here. Hang on a minute. I've got this big strong neodymium. Oops, too strong. It's going to pull magnets out in a minute. Right. So we attach. I've got to watch what I'm doing here because things are going to start flying around. We attach the. Sorry about the darkness because my eyes are hurting. I'm tired. We attach our horseshoe array, and this. Oh, hang on a minute. Ah, blue tap to the rescue. What we do is we make these segments we mount these on a rotor system instead of them being stationary. Get this bit of blob of blue tack on here. Right, and I need a ruler. I'll move this out of the way a minute. Right, you following so far? Right, I've got a ruler, a plastic ruler on here, and this is our stator. This will, well, I've got to model this in SketchUp. This is just a teaser, right? So we get two of these hang on this ruler. Oops, hang on, let me just clear that other thing out of the way a minute. I'm going to get this flying in my gut in a minute. Oh, I'm actually going the wrong way. Hang on, I need to be coming at it from the back. Actually, let's just do it in one. Oops. Oh, right. Let's try doing this with just one. I had it the right way around. Are you ready? Oh, it's stuck on somewhere. What's it stuck on? Yeah, there's a cogging point. We have to still have a shield. We have to have a bypass thing. It needs to actually need to be consecutive, really. Just a minute. This is difficult. I had it right way around. It was right way around to begin with. Let's just put this lot sideways because I can work with it easier. Right, it's easier for you to see as well. So we have an array with, you see that? That was propelled out by itself. Are you watching again? Right, oh, you get the idea. But they need to be in a string. You can't just do it one. That was a hell of a lot of force, a lot more force with some big neodymiums. Let's just try it with two. Obviously, they need to be all in a chain, like a train, otherwise it won't work properly. Right, so we've got two consecutive, because one pulls the other one through. Sorry, this is really ad hoc right now. What we have is we have a piece of ferrite that goes between them to short the flux out to break the cog, because there's a cogging part right in the middle there. So what we have to do is a piece of ferrite, because as I explained previously, two like poles will repel. So we use that piece of ferrite, which is going to be inserted between the two segments, so that it can continue on. This is going to slide off. I'm trying to keep this level. Are you watching? Ooh, stay level. This is wobbling about because it's going to fly in a second. You ready? See that? It'll stop there because it is a cogging point. So we have a piece of ferrite which will be on the rotor, which will basically allow that to pass through. Also, I've got to tune the ends, but that's a hell of a lot more force than a few grams. There's a lot more force than a few grams. Oops. Right, you get the idea. I mean, just the whole segment's flying, right? So this is a teaser of what's. I've got a plan. I've got to model this up. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.